Welcome back. Let's put this blog.php public view for a hold and let's move back to our admin view. So I'm gonna go to this page of posts.php and here you can see we have this edit, delete and live preview button. Now in this movie we will active this edit button. Let's browse this post.php page first in our editor. Here is this page. I'm gonna go to that edit button area. So here is this edit and it has the address of hash for now. So now we will create another page with the name of edit post.php and that one will have the search query parameter of id equal to 1 php scope in which we will echo its id. So let me show you its id. You can see that we are extracting its id and putting it in the variable of id here. So now same what I did with the full post.php, I can do the same thing here. So I can echo its id. So if I save this one and if I hover, you can see it got the id of 4 5 6 7. So same what I did here, let's also do with this delete page. So it will has the address of delete post.php. Search query parameter id will be equal to saving this one, refreshing my page, hover, you can see delete post.php id is equal to 4. Now let's also active this live preview. So it will take us to the page of full post.php and echo id here. If I save this one, refresh this page, click on this live preview, you can see this full post.php id is equal to 4. This one is working. Let's also add the target underscore blank to open it in a new tab. So I will add here target underscore blank, saving this one, refreshing my page. So if I click on this, the new phone 2019 live preview, you can see that this post new phone 2019 complete post id is equal to 10. So now we can easily navigate on every single live preview of the post from here, but in this movie we will focus on this edit button so that we can edit our complete post. So if I click on this edit, you can see edit post.php id is equal to 4. So I will design this page. I will design it in the similar way we added our new post. So opening my add new post.php, I'm gonna save this file as edit post.php. So if I refresh this page, so first of all changing its title from categories, it should be edit post. Now here its h1 would be edit post. Saving it and refreshing it, you can see this page. Now the idea is I will fetch the existing content according to this id of 4 here, so that before editing any post you can see the existing content and then you can edit that content and update your post. Back to my editor. So this edit post will be a two-way thing. First we will extract the existing content. So in this call lg10 div, I will add the connecting db global, and let's first add the comment here. So the first variable will be search query parameter that will get our ID from the URL. You can see this ID, so we have to get this for. So we got that one with this super global of get, and then on the next line we will have our SQL select all the columns from my table of posts where ID is equal to this search query parameter that you are getting in your URL. Then on the next line we will have stmt our statement, or I can call it stmt for stmt posts, and then using connecting db to call the method of query passing the SQL here. Then we will have our while loop that will go to stmt fetch complete arrow operator. So stmt fetch, and we have to put stmt post fetch, and it will be equal to data rows. Let's stick with the one format that we have been using so far. So then here I will have couple of variables. So the first variable will be title to be updated. The reason why I'm using these long names with the special style is because the basic purpose of these online courses is to teach you in the best and easiest way. That's why instead of using the hardcore programming style, I use these long loose names so that you can easily read the variable and get the idea what this variable is going to be about. So title to be updated will be equal to our data rows, and it will fetch the column of title that was in the lower form. Then we will have another variable category to be updated, selecting column of category, then image to be updated, and then lastly post to be updated. So if I save this one, and now at every single place of input field I will put this extracted data in the input field. So for this first one, this input field that is about the post title, in the value attribute I will add one PHP scope in which I will echo our title to be updated. So if I save this one and refresh my page, see, I put my title here in this field. Now for the category, we already have the category here. So I will add another span here, right, in this div. So I will add this span tag that will say class of field info, existing category will be span, and then we will have PHP scope to show the existing category. So echo category to be updated. So if I save this one and refresh my page, you can see existing category is news. So let's make this choose category on the next line. So br tag here. So we are showing the data on this page. Then we will have this choose category where the user will choose the new category in case if we want to have a different category after editing post. And then we will have the select image. So same like this, I will add same span here. So right after this choose category, you can see that this is fetching all the categories from category table. So here in this tab I will have existing image, and then we will have one PHP scope source. Go to my uploads folder and find out this echo image to be updated, and for the default width I will give it 170 px, and for height saving this one, refreshing my page. See this image, it looks ugly, so we have to end our image tag here. So if I save this one, refreshing my page, now you can see the existing image, and you can also add the margin bottom to your existing image if you like. So adding margin bottom, so bootstrap class of mb-1, saving this one. Then we have this post area. So for the post area, right here inside our text area, I will echo my variable of post to be updated. Saving this one, refreshing my page. Now you can see we got this text here. This was the first part. We fetched our data according to this post ID of 4. So if I go to post.php and go to this 8th post, the laptop in history, click on this edit button. Now you can see we fetched the data of this ID 11. Now in the next movie we will write one script where in case if you edit this post to like this, or you give it some different category or some different image, that update will also going to happen in the database, and it will make a change in your this post. So that we will do in the next movie.